Country people, this now Sinop Media Sports segment. If now your first time you dey view our channel, abeg make you subscribe if you never do so. Also put on your notification button so you're going to receive alert each time we drop our updates. No forget to like, share and comment on all our videos. We go kick off today's show with better brekete ogbonge news from the transfer markets. Make we let una know say the transfer market go dey opened until September 1st, 2025. So you wey your team still dey price dey talk for inside the transfer market, time still dey for them to sign somebody. The first news from the transfer market concern Chelsea. Yes, so the Blues for life. Them don't agree on a deal with Borussia Dortmund to sign Jamie Gittens. Una go remember say we tell una say Chelsea been drop £42 million for Gittens. But Dortmund tell them say the money no reach. Make them go top am, make them go join. As Chelsea join, according to Sky Sport News, say Chelsea don't go reason the matter. As the reason am finish, they increase the money from £42 million to £55.5 million for Jamie Gittens. Dortmund say yes, now una come. Now una come, una do well, we receive the good news. And so, Chelsea and Dortmund don't come to an agreement for the signing of Jamie Gittens. Now this thing they make me like Chelsea. They don't get time for cho. They not they waste time, they talk, they price, unlike some other teams. So go price, go here, price, go there. At the end of the day, they no go buy anybody. Kudos to Chelsea FC for that one. Alright, Everton striker wey we dey call DCL, Dominic Calvert-Lewin, don finally comot from the club as a free agent. DCL Dominic Calvert-Lewin spent 9 good years for Goodison Park wey be Everton stadium before, but now him don comot as a free agent sake of say him contract with Everton expire and Everton not ready to give am a new contract. Well, this year they free. Maybe Arsenal wey dey like cheap things, they go fit chook head by Dominic Calvert-Lewin. Alright, Arsenal don finally come to a personal agreement with Christian Mosquera. According to renowned Italian journalist Fabrizio Romano, Arsenal dey likely to spend £70 million on top the Valencia defender. Arsenal dey look up to stock their defense for the next season. Hopefully that deal go pull through. Alright, Liverpool, the English Premier League champions, done they ready to sign Crystal Palace defender Mark Guehi. Yes, Guehi gets 1 year left on his contract with Crystal Palace, and the Baba don't say him not dey interested to renew any contract with Palace, sake of say body dey sweet am to join Liverpool. According to Sky Sports, Crystal Palace they ask for around £40 million for the defender. We will let you know how all these matter they play for inside the transfer market. Okay, make we go into the FIFA Club World Cup matches of round of 16. The results from the 2 games wey been played last night. The first game now between Palmeiras and Botafogo for inside the Lincoln Financial Stadium, Philadelphia, United States of America. The 2 clubs now from Brazil. Then the 2 Brazilian side will lock head together for the round of 16. Omo, if you now watch that match, oh, no be small kung fu all this player they display for inside field. Una go dey surprised because yesterday I been tell una say dat game go tough, the match go tough sake of say the two sides know each other, dem dey come from the same country, dem dey play each other wella, so nobody go gree for anybody for dat match. In fact, referee sell market well well for inside dat match as im dash 12 yellow cards to both sides. One collect 6, the other one collect 6, make am 12 for dat match. No be small game happen dat yesterday. Although the match really tough and goals no come out for inside the first half as the first half end 0-0. The match even come enter extra time, and na inside that extra time na im we take see Palmeiras score the only goal of the match as their midfielder Reus give better pass to Paulinho wey cut am with the right leg, wipe better shot inside net to give Palmeiras the lead. The drama no end for there as Palmeiras players wey im name na Gomez receive red card sake of say him and one defender from Botafogo dem dey drag each other shirt. Omo, no be small, that match bloody yesterday, no be so I dey tell una. E nearly result to physical fight and the referee gas give Gomez red card sake of say him bin dey drag the shirt of Botafogo defender. The match bin end Palmeiras 1, Botafogo 0. This one come mean say Palmeiras don qualify for the next round of the competition. The second match we play yesterday na between Chelsea and Benfica for inside the Bank of America Stadium, North Carolina, United States of America. In fact, this match starts for Saturday night, come enter early momo for Sunday morning. No be small thing o. Una don see that kind thing. The match been play, enter extra time. Although that match been different from the first game, sake of say goals been dey that match. But until the second half, na the goals start to come. Inside the second half, the 64th minute, Chelsea captain Reece James scored the first goal for Chelsea from free kick wey he play from 25 yards away. When he scored that free kick, me sef I join shout because I no believe say that ball go enter net. For inside the 72nd minute, newly signed Chelsea striker Leon Delap bin score after he received better pass, dribble the goalkeeper of Benfica to score the second goal for Chelsea. Unfortunately for Chelsea, the referee cancelled that goal because say Liam Delap bin dey offside. Alright, inside 90 minutes plus, no be small drama as Chelsea be dey think say they don win the game, but Benfica get surprise for them as Benfica play better free kick enter Chelsea box. Chelsea player wey im name na Malo Gusto come use hand take catch ball inside box 18 o. Benfica players begin para for referee say na penalty, oga na penalty. Referee dey tell them make dem play on. Thank God for VAR. VAR come to the rescue of Benfica. Dem tell the referee say oga come check this thing for monitor first. And so the referee go check am for screen to confirm, and he see say true Gusto bin catch the ball with him hand, and so the referee give Benfica the penalty. Benfica player wey im name na Angel Di Maria step up to take the penalty for Benfica and trust that Argentine im no dey miss penalty as im score the equalizing goal for Benfica inside 90 minutes plus. Because of that goal, that match go enter extra time, and inside the extra time, Chelsea begin dey put fire for Benfica yansh as inside the 92nd minute, referee come give Benfica player wey im name na Cristiani red card after Cristiani commits bad foul against Levi Colwill of Chelsea. That one come reduce Benfica to 10 men, and Chelsea see the opportunity, begin dey press Benfica, and inside the 106th minute, Chelsea score again as Christopher Nkunku tear better shot inside net to give Chelsea the second goal of the match. For inside the 113th minute, Chelsea scored their third goal as Caicedo Square better pass for Pedro Neto to net the ball inside net to give Chelsea the third goal. Inotute inside 117 minutes. Cole Palmer wey dey celebrate like this as if say Cole dey cash am. Cole Palmer throw a better pass give Chelsea player wey im name na Drewsbury Hall, and Drewsbury Hall score the fourth goal for Chelsea. That match end Chelsea 4, Benfica 1. This one come mean say Chelsea don qualify for the next round of the FIFA Club World Cup 2025, and Benfica dey ready their bags to Tuama go house. Alright, matches today for inside the round of 16. Yes, matches day. Today we go see Lionel Messi, Inter Miami, take on Paris Saint-Germain. How that match go play? Well, for us here for Sinok Media Sports, na analysis we dey always do, and for me, I believe that game go tough. Yes, goals go dey. Na wetin I go tell you now, goals go dey. PSG go score. Inter Miami likely to score too. So goals go dey that match. No be match wey go end for 0-0. I dey tell you now. Goals go dey for that match. As I take tell una say Chelsea go definitely win Benfica, and na so it take happen. The second game we go play tonight na between Flamengo and Bayern Munich. Another cracker. That one, for me, I believe say Bayern Munich, with all the experience wey dem get, dem suppose win Flamengo. But na still opinion. The fact still remain, these guys dem never meet before. But I dey feel say Bayern Munich go definitely win Flamengo. Now here we go end today's story on Sinok Media Sports segment. Abeg you go try make you join us for tomorrow update as we go bring una the result of PSG versus Inter Miami, Flamengo versus Bayern Munich. Stay tuned with Sinok Media Sports segment. Bye for now.